In this part of your homework, to produce a concept map or a concept sheet on the kidney, you will need to go and produce a diagram showing the renal system and briefly talk about the function of each part. Remember to talk about what the kidneys are doing, what the renal vein, renal artery, how the urine gets down to the bladder, and possibly the role of the liver in this. The following short video will help go and give you a bit more information on this. When we're talking about the function of the kidneys, it can be broken down into a number of stages, and it's important that when describing these or describing the process, you include each of these stages. The first stage is talking about how the blood is brought to the kidneys. So the blood is brought to the kidneys through the renal artery, which is branched off from the aorta. The second thing to take into consideration is the fact that the kidney is regulating the water concentration in the blood. Right? It does this by altering its salt concentrations and is quite reliant on the hormone ADH. So the filtered excess water, right, so the salts in urea from the blood that's filtered out by ultrafiltration in the kidneys is what goes and forms urine. The urine is transported along tubes called urethras to the bladder. In the bladder, this urine is stored until the body gets rid of it, and the purified blood returns back to the circulation system through the renal vein, which eventually goes and takes the blood back to the heart via the vena cava.